Hi guys, welcome back to Tristan's Adventures. Today we're going to review Living Nature. Thanks Keycraft Global for sending me these to review. This crate of toys is called Everybody's Favourite Collection. Let's dig in and see what we've got. So we've got inside the tag, it gives you a little fact about each animal. This was an otter.
How cute is he?
So good. Amazing. Golden ear pig.
A guinea pig.
Guinea pig facts. It's a guinea pig. Makes a guinea pig noise.
He's a squeaking guinea pig. So your favourite one, Tristan, already?
Then for the cat, Siamese cat facts.
Ooh.
Siamese. It's got blue eyes, it's got blue eyes. Guys, it's amazing.
Oh, look at him with his wee blue eyes, isn't he cute?
And yep, French bulldog.
Oh, I love them.
French bulldog.
What's so cute about them? The wee wrinkles.
Yeah, also they're adorable. Look at his wee mouth. He's got blue eyes.
He's got blue eyes too. Look at his wee wrinkly face.
I want a French bulldog.
It's their wee poppy up ears as well, isn't it? Really cute ears.
Labradoodle.
A Labradoodle. So do you know what that is?
No.
That's a cross between a Labrador and a poodle.
So cute. It's got colour hairs. It's so cute.
There's a curly hair.
That's my favourite one.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's because they've got what they call hypoallergenic fur, which means people who are allergic to dogs can get them. How cute is he? Wee fluff fluff.
Really cute. Cocker Spaniel.
A Cocker Spaniel.
A Cocker Spaniel, yeah. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, look at his brown eyes.
And his wee floppy ears.
Yeah, it goes flop, 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 flop. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Oh, look at him. Oh, he's adorable. Look at his wee curly bits.
Monkey.
A monkey? Is that a chimpanzee, I think?
Monkey. No, it's a monkey. It just says monkey facts.
Cool. He's cute.
His brown eyes, he looks cute, but even though monkeys are cheeky, they're cheeky monkeys.
Much
Just
like
like me. This is so fluffy. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
Let's see him.
Yeah. He's so fluffy.
Oh, he's two-tone. Look at the colour on him. He's got a speck of lighter brown through him. Oh, he's adorable.
Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Flamingo.
That pink flamingo.
And it's so cute. It's like,
Big beak.
look, it's legs like he can make a walk.
You get big tall legs, flamingos.
Yeah.
Oh. His wee legs. Tangly legs, tangly legs.
L-O-P.
Lop-eared bunny.
Yeah. With carrots in the middle, so it goes. But it goes.
Does have quite lopped ears, doesn't it? Wee,
Oh,
cute.
look
Look
at
at
me.
his wee face.
Look.
You mean a bunny?
Yep, and the next one. Gosh, this is so cute. Lock-eared rabbit. It says legitimately B-A-B-B-E-T.
It's a rabbit.
It's gay. It's R.
Like a flopsy bunny, isn't he?
Ruh.
Like the browns and different shades of brown. He's adorable. Look at his wee face. He's cute. Look, his big ears. They're amazing.
My big ears.
So adorable.
I want a bunny. Next one. Last but not least, my family's favourite wee Scottish beautiful coo.
It's not just any coo,
The
it's
Highland coo.
It's a Highland coo, so it's.
I'm not impressed with the videos.
Have you seen Highland coo before? Where have you seen them?
And a farm.
And whereabouts was the farm? Was it in the Highlands?
Yeah.
Well, it might have been. You've also seen them in the Trossachs in Aberfoyle, haven't you?
No.
Yeah, you have. They're up at Loch Ackley. Is the Highland coo your favourite?
Yeah, but we're putting it in Nevis Vanzilla.
we're going to put the wee Highland Coo in our van, aren't we?
Yep.
He's going to be our new mascot. So is he called Nevis to match the van?
Yeah. I got it all in the crate.
How cute is that little crate?
Amazing!
Look at that, that's cool. Such a cool crate.
Amazing! Thanks Keycraft Global for sending me these to review. If you guys enjoyed my video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!